In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete an additional profile on Facebook. Sometimes, you may have created more than one profile by mistake or for different purposes. It's important to remove any extra profiles to avoid confusion and protect your privacy. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. Now you'll see the Accounts Center at the very top. Just tap on it. Then scroll down a bit and tap Personal Details. Then tap where it says Account Ownership and Control. Tap and select the deactivation or deletion option. What you want to do next is select your other Facebook profile that you want to delete. And then scroll down a bit, tap and select this option. Delete additional Facebook profile. Tap on the Continue button. Then select a reason why you are deleting it. Tap Continue. And then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Continue. For security reasons, you have to re-enter your Facebook password to continue. Tap on the Continue button. All you have to do next is tap on the Delete Profile button to confirm it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.